What's the deal with the passport? We wanted a way for you to be able to track your journey, something you could hold in your hands, scribble some notes in, and look back on. It's the perfect tool for exploring different origins, flavor profiles, and brewing techniques. So whether you're a coffee enthusiast or starting your specialty coffee journey, there are dedicated sections to track your brew recipes and space underneath in case you want to add things about, say, the water type or temperature, the machine pressure, or any other brewing equipment you may have used, such as your plunger or Mocha Master. We've included guided prompts to help you describe the mouthfeel, which may change depending on how you adjust your brew. And finally, the flavor wheel. Simply plot out the flavors you taste by marking a dot on the wheel, with more intense flavors on the outer ring and less intense flavors on the inner ring. Finish by connecting the dots to visualize the coffee's unique profile. And what else do you get? The coffee is just the beginning. Inside your passport, you'll find a QR code that unlocks exclusive behind-the-scenes content. And since this is a journey we're taking together, we'd love to hear your feedback and see how you're brewing. Tag @Campos Coffee to share your favorite cups, tasting notes, and discoveries along the way. Are you ready to start your world tour? Well, subscribe and let's taste the world one cup at a time.